Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to be reviewing the GMKtec M5 Plus Mini PC, which is powered by the AMD Ryzen 7 5825U processor. It promises a desktop level productivity, light gaming performance, and triple 4K display support, all in a compact form factor. So if you are considering this mini PC for work or gaming, you can check out the product link in the description box below. So the GMKtec M5 Plus runs on an 8-core 16 threads Ryzen 7 5825U capable of boosting up to 4.5 GHz as compared to the older Ryzen 7 5700U systems. It offers noticeable performance improvements, especially in the multitasking and productivity workloads. It also equipped with the 32 GB DDR4 RAM and a 1 TB PCIe SSD, giving you a plenty of headroom for creative software, large files, and multiple apps running simultaneously. In the real world usage, the performance is very smooth for the office work, content editing, and multitasking. It handles 4K video playback effortlessly and also supports triple 4K display output, which is great for the creators or multi-monitor setups. For gaming, it uses integrated AMD Radeon graphics. This means it can handle the esports title and older AAA games at medium settings, but it is not built for the high-end ultra settings gaming. Without a dedicated GPU, demanding 3D rendering or heavy AAA gaming will be limited. Connectivity is also strong with 2.5 GB of LAN and Wi-Fi 6 that makes it suitable for the fast network environments. However, enthusiasts looking for the 10 GB networking and upgradable GPUs may find it restrictive. Cooling is also decent for its size, though extended heavy workloads may push the terminals higher due to the compact design. The build quality feels solid and premium for a mini PC, and small footprint is a big advantage for the desk space. So if you want a compact, powerful mini PC for productivity, media editing, and casual gaming, it can be a strong option for you. So if you want to check this product out, the link is in the description. Thanks for watching.